how you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. That's right, baby. And today we got an unboxing. Okay, we're gonna do a review. Basically, we're gonna do an unboxing of a tablet. Okay, and I got the tablet from a company, and the company that I'm gonna tell you about is called Truconnect. That's right, Truconnect Wireless. Now, Truconnect Wireless is a government phone service, okay? But like a lot of these government phone places now, you can get tablets as well, okay? And the tablet for activation fee and shipping of the tablet did cost $10.01, and you're going to hear that normally. Um, so I'm really excited about this. It's super early in the morning, so sorry if I'm talking kind of soft. You know, it's been a long day, but I really wanted to tell y'all about this. Okay, so let's get to it. And also, I want to tell my people, welcome new subscribers, existing subscribers. I ask you to share this and give this video a thumbs up. All right. So when you sign up with Truconnect, you get a lot, and the data that you get when you're getting the tablet is, I believe you get 8 gigs of data, which is not a lot a month, because a lot of places give you 10 to 15 gigs, but there's more. You get a lot more with it. All right. And now, when they send you the tablet, they'll send you two pieces. They'll send you the tablet if you decide you want the tablet and not the phone. Okay. They'll send you a tablet and they'll send you this. This is see that? Truconnect. Okay. This is the SD card. This is the SIM card. This SIM card can go into almost any unlocked phone, Apple phone, uh, Android. This SIM card can go into it as long as the phone is unlocked. And they have a whole list of phones on their website, okay, and that you could buy if you need to, as well as a whole list that tells you what phones qualify, which unlocked phones qualify. Okay. Now, here's the fun part. The tablet that you received, that I got, that we're gonna do unboxing now. That's right. Isn't it pretty? This is an 8-inch tablet. Okay. This size tablet to me is perfect size tablet. It's not too big. It's not too small. You can put it in your backpack. You know, you can. It's perfect size. You know, you can read from it. You can use it as an electronic book. It's perfect size. You have some that's really big, and to me, that they're trying to be like a laptop more than a tablet. Okay. Um, Now, I'm going to give you the specs as I always do. All right. This is called the Sunshine T1 Elite. Okay. It's got 4G capability as well as LTE. The system that runs this is really cool. It's an Android 11, and it's the Gold Edition. Basically, if you hear Android 11 Gold Edition, that just means it's like a thin client. It's a thinner version of Android that fits on, you know, devices like this. I mean, it does the same thing as Android, okay? And I think the latest version of Android is 12, so Android 11, that's not bad at all. That's pretty good, actually. Let's see. Let you see the back here. Okay. It has 2 gigabyte 2 gigabyte RAM, okay, and a 16 gigabyte storage. All right, see that? Now, it's an 8-inch display. It is HD, okay, 800 by 1280. Not bad. You can watch your videos on Twitch and all your stuff on it. Okay. Now, let's see here. It has expandable storage. What that means is you could take an SD card, and they got them up to, they got SD cards up to like 32 gigs, 50 gigs now, not very expensive. And you could put it into the tablet and it extends that. Okay, that means that's more. You can put all your photos and stuff on your SD and it still run like it's on the tablet. Okay, so that's good. It's expandable storage. It does have Wi-Fi. Okay, and yeah, that's definitely want to show y'all this. I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. There we go. Now it does have Wi-Fi. Now this tablet runs around $130, excluding tax on Amazon. New, and this is new. Okay. Now this 8-inch tablet. Another thing I like about this 8-inch tablet is that it weighs only 1.34 pounds. So it weighs just a little bit over a pound. So if you have a hard time picking up things, or it's lightweight, you can carry it with you. Very lightweight. I like that. Okay. It has Bluetooth, cellular, okay, and Wi-Fi, as I stated. Now, the manufacturer of this is called Cloud Mobile. The company is called Cloud Mobile. Okay. Now, when you get this, I was trying to show you that. This is pretty good. Hope that's not upside down. Nope. There you go. And as you see how thin it is. Nice. Weighs about a pound. Now, when you sign up with Truconnect, okay, you don't just get this, which when I was reading about it, because they stay with you, they tell you everything. When I was reading about it, this is all set up to go. You don't have to put a SIM in it. Okay, when you get it, it's all set up for you. That's what they were saying. So, and if you have Wi-Fi at home, it could connect to your Wi-Fi. Okay, but here's the cool thing about it. When you use Truconnect, you also get 2 months of Amazon Prime included for free. That's right, on them. 2 months of Amazon Prime. So enough talking. Let's bust this sucker open, shall we? So that's a lot if you think about it. And with the Amazon Prime, that you get the Amazon Music, you also get the Amazon videos, and you get to watch those Amazon videos too. And one thing I like about Android, take that off. One thing I like about Android is that, like, I have another one that's it is a Fire tablet. It's a Fire tablet from Amazon, and it's so restrictive. You don't even have Google Play. You can't use your Google apps that you use on your phone or Android or any of the Google type software. You can't use that on your Fire tablet, and that is such a pain. Let's see here. Very nice, very nice. Y'all know how I am fighting with this monster. Right, so You open this baby up. This. Dun, 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 dun. There you go. All right. Get to see the back. Right. Got a back facing camera. Okay. See that part up here? Your headphones, but they also have Bluetooth. This. You can plug it in, charge it. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Now, what also comes in the back package is this. Get a SIM card. But as I told you, they already put the SIM in there already. You're good to go. You don't have to. This is a second SIM card. This one's already been put into the tablet. You're good to go. Once you turn it on, you're good to go. They don't leave you hanging. They give you a manual. This is a full manual on how to operate that tablet. Okay? And let's see. Yep, it's definitely in English. Okay, it is in English. I'm sure if you request it, you can get Spanish, but yeah, this is in English. Very good. Shows you how to work it. Show you that right there. That's it. That's in Spanish. Okay. And that's in English. See? Shows you how to set it up. You can give you the information to call. If you're in California, there you go. Takes care of everything. It gives you the full welcome package. How to manage your account. And last but not least, this is super important. You get your connection so you can charge up your, tablet. Get the wire. And, ooh, very cool. You also get this. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, yeah. This right here, this baby right here, this is sweet. This is sweet. You can connect a lot of things to your tablet with this and make your tablet do a lot more than just be a tablet with this adapter, and it comes with it. Very nice. That's over and above. Trust me, you're not gonna get that with most of these people. No, that's over and above. Very well done. Truconnect. Very well done. All right, and that is pretty much the unboxing of the Sunshine T1 Elite Android tablet that you get from Truconnect. All right, very, very nice. I'm not gonna turn it on in front of you all because it may have some personal data that I don't want y'all seeing. Okay, so anyway, that is my unboxing of the Truconnect tablet as well as the Truconnect SIM card for your unlocked phone. So, and you have the option of bringing your number over, or you can request a brand new one. Okay, so I just want y'all to see that. I'm very, very excited about it. I'm almost tongue tied. Okay, I saw this. I knew that that's the type of I had to pick from what type of one I knew I wanted to give them a try out. So that is my unboxing of the Truconnect uh, free tablet. Also, I want to state that just you don't need to have food stamp or SNAP to get a government phone or a government tablet. Okay, you can qualify just by having the income standards. Okay, they have a list up there. Okay, your income standards. You could just be you can have Medicaid or Medicare. You can qualify like that. You can get SSI of some type. You qualify. I mean, there's a lot of ways to qualify, especially since the pandemic started. They create even more ways. Okay, if you're American Indian, Native American, uh, definitely a lot of ways for you also to get in on that. All right, and qualify. So now, don't think that you just have to be on SNAP or food stamps to qualify. But no, there's a lot of different ways that you can qualify, even if you don't have any type of worker. Okay, you can go by your income. All right, so I'll wrap to y'all later, and I hope you enjoy the unboxing. Peace.